Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for planning your university open days. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, quickly sign up. It's free and user-friendly. This step is crucial because UPBASE is the platform where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Events section. This is where you'll plan and manage your open days. The reason we do this is to keep our events organized and easily accessible. Next, click on Create Event. Here's where you'll enter all the crucial details about your open day: date, time, venue, and a brief description. This step helps us because it gives prospective students all the necessary information at a glance. Now, let's add some interactive elements. Click on Add Activity and choose from the options: campus tour, faculty meet and greet, or a Q&A session. These activities give your open day a dynamic feel and offer a more immersive experience to potential students. Once you've added all the details and activities, it's time to hit Publish. This puts your event live and accessible to all. Remember, the earlier you publish your open day details, the better. Let me explain why this matters. It gives prospective students ample time to plan their visit, increasing the likelihood of high attendance. In conclusion, UPBASE makes planning your university open days a breeze with its user-friendly interface and interactive tools. Remember to start early, keep your details clear, and add engaging activities for the best results. And that's it, a quick and straightforward guide to using UPBASE for your university open days. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, planning made easy with UPBASE.